Hi, my name's Chantel Baker and I'm a makeup artist, and I'm going to be doing a makeup look for the evening called Bronze Goddess using the new Bondi Sands GLO Lights range. The highlighters come in 3 shades, so you've got pearl lights, you've got gold lights, and you've got bronze lights. I'm going to begin today's tutorial with the GLO Lights bronze lights. So it is a highlighter, but you can use it as a primer as well. It really blurs imperfections and it suits all skin tones. So it's just going to start off by giving you that beautiful bronze look. And I'm actually going to use my hands like you would at home. And it's just going to give you that really beautiful glow. I love starting off with a bronzer sometimes and then working my way in and really highlighting the center of the face. A little bit more in the cheeks. It's also really buildable. You can add a little bit more when you want to glow a little bit more. It's given me a really beautiful base, and I'm going to use the foundation just through the center of the face rather than all over. So particularly just around the nose area where we can get a little red. Don't forget under your jaw as well. So next I'm going to be using gold lights on the eyelids. So I'm going to use this as my primer for the eye, and then I'm going to add eyeshadow to the top. So I'm going to pop that on with my finger again and just dab onto the lid so you can see how gorgeous that is. The next product I'm going to be using is a contour color. Add a little bit of a darker color through the crease of the eye and really accentuate the shape of the eye. So the key here is to really blend. So it acts as such a gorgeous base for eyeshadow. So I'm just darkening the lash line there. Then I'm just going to come under. So I'm just using a smudgy brush and just getting that really smokiness happening. So I'm just going to take a chocolate pencil and I'm just going to colour in right on that lash line there, just to create a little bit more depth to the eye. I'm just going to pop that pencil into the waterline. This really gives you that gorgeous smoky effect, so you can see the difference. I'm now going to place the pearl lights on the inner corner of the eye, and I'm also going to add a little bit more dimension onto the top of the lid. So using a flat brush, so I just want to dab through the center. Applying some black mascara. I've just applied individual eyelashes to enhance this look, and I'm just going to add a little bit of brow gel. I'm not going to do too much to the brows. I like to keep them sort of more natural these days. The next thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of the bronze lights again onto the cheek area and really bring back that bronzy effect, but I'm going to use a brush this time for precision. And just dabbing. So you can really see how instantly that just adds a glow to the skin. And I also just want to pop a little bit more over the nose. Don't be afraid to really come in under the eye. And I'm just going to add a little bit just above both the brows, just to add that gorgeous glow. I'm really going to amp this up now by adding pearl lights on all the highlights of the face. I'm using a fluffy brush again. Just down the nose. On the cupid's bow again. So this is the pearl lights just on those high planes, and I'm going to use the bronze lights in the center. So you've got the gold on the lids, you've got the pearl lights on the high planes, and you've got the bronze on the cheeks. That perfect goddess nighttime makeup. I'm going to finish the makeup look just using a medium toned brown lip pencil, and I'm going to keep this area highlighted, so I'm just contouring lightly around. And there you go, the bronze goddess look complete. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if you try this look.